Dear student, welcome to Khan Kingdom Smart Education online classes. Our exercise is 3.1 question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Player A, B and C, game first, game second, game third, game 4. Player A played game first, score 14, 16, 10 and 10. Player B scored in games 0, 8, 6, 4. Player C scored 8, 11, did not play 13. Now answer the following questions. Question number first. Find the mean to determines age average number of points scored per game. First question is mean of age points. Formula of mean is sum of all data upon number of data. Let sum of all data of A is 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 divided by number of data 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. 14 plus 16 30, 40, 50. Now this is our 50 upon 4. 1 time, 2 time, then 0.5 time. Mean of age points is 12.5. Now question number second. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4 and why? Now take player C. Find the mean of player C. C 8, 11, did not play 13. So how many games the player C played? 1, 2 and 3. Here did not play. So only 3 games player C played. Number second, C played in all the 3 games. So we will divide by 3. So we will divide by 3. Player C played 3 games. Player C played 3 games. So we will divide by 3. Now what is the mean of C? Mean of C's points is sum of all data divided by number of data. So sum of all data, the player C's data is 8 plus 11 plus 13 divided by 3. 13 plus 11. 13 plus 11 is 24 plus 8 32. 32 upon 3. Now this is 0.6666 means 10.67, 10.67 round figure system. Now third, B played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? Mean of B is point is equal to sum of all data 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by 4. This is over 18 upon 4. The answer is 4.5. Now question number 4. Who is the best performer? Who is the best performer? Best performer will find by the mean. Who have highest mean? A's mean is 12.5, C's mean is 10.66, B's mean is 4.5. Highest mean is 12.5 of player A. Player A having highest mean, so player A is the best performer. Now take beginning from this question. Question number 5. Following table shows the point of each player scored in 4 games. Player A, B, C. There are 3 players. Game is first, second, third, fourth. Player A point is 14, 16, 10, 10. Player B points are 0, 8, 6, 4. Player C's points are 8, 11, 13. Here game 3 he did not play. So player C played only 3 games. Now answer the following question. First, find the mean to determine A's average number of points score per game. So A's mean of A's points is equal to sum of all data divided by number of data. The A's points are 14, 16, 10, 10. Addition of these are 50. Number of games is 4. Answer is 12.5. Number second, to find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or 4? Player C played only 3 games. Player C played only 3 games. So we will divide by 3. Now mean of points, C's points are sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data 8 plus 11 plus 13, 11, 13, 24, 24 plus 8, 32, 32 divided by 3. Answer is 10.666. Now question number 3. B played in all 4 games. How would you find the mean? We will find the mean of player B. Mean of B's points is sum of all data 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 divided by number of data 4. 4, 6, 10, 18. 18 upon 4. Answer is 4.5. Now question number 4. Who is the best performer? Who is the best? The mean of A 12.5, mean of C 10.66, mean of B 4.5, highest mean of player A. So player A is the best performer. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our question number 6 is the marks out of 100 obtained by a group of students in a science test are these. Find. Question number 1. Highest and lowest marks obtained by the students. Number 2. Range of the marks obtained. Number 3. Mean marks obtained by the group. Answer. First of all, we organize the data. Organization of data in ascending order. Organization of data in ascending order. In ascending order, we placed lowest value first and highest value last. The lowest value is 39. Now, next is 48. Next is 56. Now, next is 75. 76, 81, 85, 85, 90 and 95. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The all data will come. Now, taking question number first, highest and lowest marks. Highest marks is 95 and lowest marks is 39. This is our answer of question number first. Now second question, range of marks obtained. Formula of range: highest value minus lowest value. So highest value is 95, lowest is 39. The answer is 56. Now taking question number third, mean marks obtained by the group. Mean is equal to sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data: 39, 48 plus 56 plus 75 plus 76 plus 81 plus 85 plus 90 plus 95. Divide by, there are 10 datas. Now take addition. This is our 120. This is our 151. The addition of these are 104. Then addition of these are 180. One, two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9. 85. This is our 85. The addition of these are 175. Now adding these 5, 10, 1, 3, 8, 16 plus 7, 23. 1, 3 plus 5, 8 plus 8, 16 plus 7, 23. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 730 divided by 10, 10 and 10 will be cut. Answer is 73. The mean is 73. Now take beginning from this question. The marks obtained by a group of students in a science test are these. Find the first question, highest and lowest marks. Highest marks. So first of all, we organize the data in ascending order, lowest value and highest value. The highest marks are 95, lowest are 39. Range of the marks, the formula of range is highest value minus lowest value. So 95 minus 39 is equal to 56. 56 is our range. Question number 3, mean marks obtained by the group. Mean, formula of mean is sum of all data divided by number of data. Number of data are 10, sum of all data, we will sum of all data 730. 730 divided by 10, answer is 73. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 8. The rainfall in mm in a city on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follows. The rainfall is recorded in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The rainfall in mm is 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5 and 1.0. Now question number 1, find the range of rainfall in above data. Answer of question number 1, range of the rainfall is equal to highest value minus lowest value. The highest value of rainfall is 20.5 and lowest value is 0.0. So answer is 20.5. 20.5 minus 0.0 is equal to 20.5. This is our range of rainfall. Now second question, find the mean rainfall of the week. Mean rainfall is equal to sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5, 1.0 divided by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now in addition, this is over 26.0. Now this is over 12, 14.3, 14.3 and last is 1.0, 1.0. So 3 point 10, 11, 1, 3, 4, 1.3 divided by 7. This will be divided by 7. 5 times 35 minus 6. Next is decimal point. Now 3. 9 times 63. So answer is 5.9. The mean value or average value of rainfall is 5.9. Number 3, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Mean is 5.9. How many days is less than 5.9? Is less than 5.9. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. In 5 days the rainfall is less than the mean value, the mean rainfall. Now let's take beginning from this question. The rainfall in mm in a city on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follow. The days Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. The rainfall in mm is 0.0, 12.2, 2.1, 0.0, 20.5, 5.5, 1.0. Now question number first, find the range of the rainfall in the above data. The range of rainfall formula is highest value minus lowest value. Highest value is 20.5, lowest value is 0.0. 20.5 minus 0 is equal to 20.5. Question number second, find the mean rainfall for the week. Mean rainfall, average value. Average value formula is sum of all data divided by number of data. Sum of all data 0.12.2 plus 0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1. Now all data, number of data 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. By adding these number we get 41.3. Now dividing by 7, 5 times 35, remainder is 6. Next is decimal point. Now decimal point, next digit is 3. 9 times 63, the answer is 5.9. Answer is 5.9. Question number third, on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall? Mean rainfall value is 5.9. How many days is less than 5.9? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 days are less than our mean rainfall. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next question. Now our next question is question number 9. The heights of 10 girls were measured in centimeter and the result as follows. These are the heights of girls. Question number first, what is the height of tallest girl? What is the height of tallest girl means what is the highest value? The highest value is 151 centimeter. Answer, height of tallest girl is 151 centimeter. Second, what is the height of shortest girl? What is the height of shortest? Shortest is 128. Height of shortest girl 128 centimeter. Now taking question number 3, what is the range of data? Range of data is equal to, the formula of range of data is highest value minus lowest value. Highest value minus lowest value. The highest value is 151 minus lowest is 128. The difference between both is 23 centimeter. The difference between them 151 minus 128, answer is 23 centimeter. So range of data is 23 centimeter. Now taking question number 4. What is the mean height of the girls? Mean height of girls. Formula is sum of all data divided by number of data. Now taking sum of all data. 135, 150, 139, 128, 151, 132, 146, 149, 143, 141. Divide by number of data. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 girls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Now taking sum of these. These both are 285. These both 290. Now taking these both 260. Now taking these 290. Taking these 289. 289. 5, 9, 14, 1, 9, 18, 24, 24 and 9, 33, 33, 8, 41, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Answer is 14 divided by 10. Answer is 141.4. 141.4. Now question number 5. How many girls have height more than the mean height? How many girls having height more than the mean? Mean is 141.4. Now taking 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Total 5 girls. 5 girls having height more than the mean height. Now let's take beginning from this question. The height of 10 girls were measured in centimeter. The result are as follows. These are the heights of girl in centimeter. What is the height of tallest girl? Tallest girl means highest value of height. Highest value of height is 151. So height of tallest girl is 151 centimeter. Question number 2. What is the height of shortest girl? Shortest girl's height is 128 centimeter. Height of shortest girl is equal to 128 centimeter. Now question number 3. What is the range of data? range of data is equal to highest value minus lowest value. Highest value is 151, lowest is 128. The difference is 23 centimeter. What is the mean height of girl? Mean height of girl formula is sum of all data divided by number of datas. So there are 10 datas. So divide by 10. We will add all the data. Answer is 141.4. Now taking question number 5. How many girls have height more than the mean height? Mean height is 141.4. The height is more than the mean value. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 girls having height more than the mean height. You can take a screenshot of this. We will move to our next topic in our next video. Thank you for watching this video.